It's the topic on every homeowner's mind, and for good reason. Now, with interest rates at historical lows, you might be wondering if you're getting the best deal on your mortgage. Well, today we have Andrew Morello from Yellow Brick Road to provide us with some very simple tips to ensure that your home loan rate hits the mark. Good morning, Andrew.
Morning, Janie. It's funny, our mortgage is our largest household expense, and yet for some reason, so many hardworking Australians treat it with a set and forget mentality.
That is so true, but why is that, Andrew?
Look, great question. When people first talk to a wealth manager about their concerns, they usually speak about one of three things, if not all of them. Firstly, they don't think they have the power to negotiate with their bank and get a better rate. Secondly, they often think their bank is giving them a really good and competitive rate and they can't do any better. And thirdly, the process of going through all that paperwork and finding a new loan sometimes seems too hard and too confusing.
Okay, so what does Yellow Brick Road suggest we do then?
Look, one of the first things a wealth manager will ask you is what I'll ask you today. What is your current home loan rate? Janie?
Oh, gosh, I'm actually not quite sure, Andrew. I mean, I know that I pay every month. I know what I'm paying every month, but I don't exactly know what interest rate I'm on.
Well, if you don't know what rate you're on, how do you know if it's competitive or good with what else is out in the market?
Well, I guess I don't.
Look, don't feel bad, Janie. You're not the only one. A lot of people know how much they're paying each month, but they don't actually know what the actual rate is. So here's my first tip. Find out. Take a look at your monthly statement, and if you've got a variable home loan rate above 5%, you could probably do a better deal, and you should consider shopping around.
Well, I'm certainly going to have a look at that, Andrew, but let me ask you a question. So when you say shop around, what do you mean? It sounds like you're shopping for a TV or something.
Look, to be honest with you, Janie, it's exactly like that. When you go to shop for a TV, what will you do? You'll go look at some different stores, you'll look online, compare products, prices, and choose the best one based on your needs and budget. Is that right?
Yeah, that is right.
Look, well, the same goes for your home loan. What you want to be doing is looking at products that are right for you and choose one that suits your personal situation. That's what Yellow Brick Road does. We have access to over 40 lenders, including the banks, so that you can figure out what is the right one based for your personal needs.
Sounds great, but my next question is, how do I know if my current loan is right for me, and how do I know if I have a good deal right now?
Look, another great question, and the answer is simple. Once you know what your rate is, I would tell you to jump onto a home loan comparison site such as Rate City to find out what else is in the market. The current variable spread for variable mortgages runs from around 4.6% all the way up to 6%.
Right.
So that means there's plenty of room for a lot of savings. Let me show you an example. Say you're with one of the major banks, which right now have variable rates around 5.15%. Let's compare that to the Yellow Brick Road Rate Smasher loan, which has a comparison rate of 4.64%. On an average $350,000 30-year loan, you'd be looking at savings of nearly $40,000 over the term of the loan.
Gee, that's great, isn't it? That's enough to, say, renovate the kitchen, isn't it?
Look, renovate the kitchen, take the family on a dream holiday. That's what I'm talking about, Janie. By being proactive and making sure that you have a competitive home loan rate, you can save thousands and you don't have to make sacrifices to that family budget.
This all sounds fantastic, Andrew, but what about for people who don't have time to shop around?
Look, at Yellow Brick Road, we do all the hard work for you. You can go and see one of our local branches and meet a wealth manager today who will ask you about your goals and plans for the future. Once they have a picture of what's important to you and what you want to achieve, they'll find the best loan for you. And as I mentioned before, we work with all the major lenders, including the major banks, to make sure you get the best possible deal.
Fantastic, you've got me. How do we get in touch?
Look, give Yellow Brick Road a call today on 1300 782 995. What we'll do is we'll find you your local branch and we'll also send you your home loan tips guide so you can get started today.
Great, thank you. Lovely to meet you. Thank you for your time.
Thanks for having me, Janie.
That number once again is 1300 782 995, 1300 782 995.